Hey, welcome back to Cool Guitar, and let's draw another version of Bendy, this time with him holding this terrible sin sign. So here's my full pencil sketch shown in 2-speed, and then right after this, I'll show you guys how to draw this with a Sharpie line by line. Alright, so let's draw this bendy, and here's my sketch underneath. So we're gonna start out by drawing the overall head shape, and we're gonna start out right on the top here. We're gonna draw a little really wide U. Okay, so just one wide curve, and then from there we're gonna curve down, and this is gonna be kind of like a perfect circle. So just try to draw it as cleanly as possible. So we're gonna start out on the corner here. If you can use some kind of drawing aid, that'll be best. But the easier way is, if you want to just kind of freehand it, just draw like a little bracket. You know, don't go all the way down yet. Just kind of draw a little bracket like this first, and then you can finish up the bottom. Just continue the curve. Okay, so that's gonna be the overall head shape. And now for the inside, so when I come to the middle here, just come down and just come over a little bit, because it's a little bit lopsided here. Okay, so from the middle, just come down and then come over. And then from this point, we're gonna go up to right around here, to where the little point is. So just go up and we'll stop there. Okay, so a little check mark, and then now we're gonna curve all the way down here. So just come down right here, you can make a little point so that we know that it's gonna be tapered right here. So we're gonna curve, just make it tighter and tighter. And then just close it off. Okay, so that's the hardest part, and the rest is a lot easier now that we have the overall shape in. So come to the middle of this area right around here. Just gonna draw two little curves like this, and that's gonna be the bottom of his eye. And then from there, just gonna draw in a curve going up. That's gonna be the shape of his eye. Okay, and then for his eye, I'm drawing one circle inside and then one more dot. Okay, so right inside, just another egg shape. Okay, and then we're gonna come down and draw his mouth. So the mouth is really easy, just right underneath here. Just gonna draw like a little happy face first. And then from this corner here, we'll just draw a bracket coming down. And then now we just round everything out. So same curve as the bottom. Okay, and then his teeth right in the middle here. One line, and then try to draw two more lines on each side. Okay, so that's the head, and we can add in the details later. Let's continue down with the body. For the little bow tie right here, it's really simple. Just right underneath the head, draw a little circle. Two curves coming down. Come down here, just draw two more, sloping down a little bit more. And then just close it off. Add two little lines inside. Okay, so now whatever space you have here, we're gonna draw in the sign here. So we just connect this, just one line across, and then we'll extend it. Alright, so now we're gonna draw in the hand, and we're gonna start on this side because the hand is a little bit higher up on this side. So now we're gonna come down on the sign. Just draw a little line first, and then now we're gonna draw in his fingers right here. So we're gonna come in, come over here, just a little bubble right here. Continue down, and then just come back out. Okay, so it's like a little hook. And then now on this side right here, just right underneath here, just come down and go out again. So that's gonna be his other finger. And then now we just gonna draw in the little curve here to finish up the palm here. So start up here, just curve out, and then just come back in and connect that. So it looks a little bit tricky at the beginning, but it's actually very easy to draw. Okay, so right here, little egg shape. One more on the bottom. Okay, so now let's draw on the other side. So we're gonna come down for the sign, we're gonna come down right around here. Okay. Let's come down. So it's gonna be right around here past this finger. And now we're drawing the other finger, which is basically the same but just reverse. So we're gonna come in, go up a little bubble, continue down and just hook it back out. Okay, and then now on the bottom one, curve and just go out. And now for the palm, same thing here. Just come up right around here. Just curve all the way around and just connect that. And then same thing here. 2 little dots. Alright, so now for this one, the sign's gonna end right here. So I'm just gonna draw a line all the way across. Okay, stop right here. And then just go up. Just close everything off. So that's gonna be the sign. Okay, so before we draw in the text inside, we're gonna draw in his legs. So here is the center, okay, of this thing. We're just gonna come out to each side, make 2 little points. Come down straight. And then come out here, come down, and then just close it off. So that's gonna be one leg. Now for the other one. Okay, and then for his shoes, really simple. We just come down both sides. Just come out. And then on this side here, just gonna draw a little curve first. And then now we're gonna draw one big bump all the way down here, past this line. And then just curve it, close that off. Okay, so one big bump all the way out past this line here. Now just curve it back in and connect that. Okay, and then we can add in a little line here. Just continue this curve so that it looks like there's a little bit of a perspective to it. Okay, so that's pretty much it. And then now for the little sign here, we can draw in a little border. That'll clean things up a little bit. So just go all the way around, behind the fingers. And let's see, we'll start out on the with the word sin because it's a lot bigger. Okay, so it's gonna be right in the middle here. We'll just draw in an eye. And then now for the N, just go up, little, come across here, dip it down and go back up. Come across and then just go all the way down. And now we're just gonna follow this line here, just come in, just follow that curve. So it's very simple once you have the upper line. Okay, so the S is a little bit trickier. Let's start out here. Okay, so one line coming down and then we're gonna curve in, come back out. Okay, so just kind of zigzag all the way around. And then once you have this line, then we can draw in the rest, right? So we're just gonna follow that line outside. Okay, and there's gonna be a little dot here. And then for the rest, I'm just gonna draw in, because the letters are kind of small, so I'm just gonna write in the words. So I'm just gonna write. Okay, so wandering is a terrible sin. I don't play this game, so I'm not sure what that means. Oops, no room for the E. Alright, and then lastly, let's add in those little details on the head right here. So this one's easy. We're just gonna follow around the corner here, just come down. Just come down here for some drippings right here. even down here as well. And then for his mouth, actually we need to add in a little crease right there on both sides. Alright, so that is it for this Bendy with this wandering is a terrible sin sign. So I hope you guys enjoyed this, and if you do, please do give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you next time.